Welcome to today's daily recap. It is January 5th, 2020. Yesterday we talked about, let's just get into it. We'll talk about GJ. This year is focused on GJ and gold, like I said, mainly. I'll still be analyzing GC, GA, but I won't be posting videos on them. They'll just be in my Telegram. I'll be sending the analysis there. So we talked about GJ, right? Price activity here, price found resistance here in late Asian, consolidated, same thing. Found resistance, consolidated, liquidity grab, down. Liquidity grab, down. That's as simple as it is, guys. Like, created a lower high, right? We have a clear sell range to fill here, first of all. That's your first target. Second target, 139.5 area, right? We talked about this. We talked about this in the analysis. We talked about this yesterday in we talked about it yesterday in the video, and it happened exactly, right? So let's go a bit deeper. So we knew that price made a nice sell range, right? Okay, we rejected this area near 140.15, near 200, right? Let's just call it near 200. Okay, this level came down, and then we consolidated. So what you want to wait for is, this is how you figure out when the move is actually starting. When you see price starting to move like this, moving in the opposite direction, that means price is going to go the market is going to go get premium price for that move, right? So in this case, it moved up from, like, see, consolidated, nothing happening, major, weak. We're not breaking past this structure, right? This structure here, 139.9. So we're not breaking past it. Rejected it, 1:35, 1:40 a.m., 1:45, 2 a.m. So basically 2 a.m. Eastern, exactly 1 hour before London opened, price rejected this area, created a lower high at 140.05, which is also the 140 area, closed below, and then we started retesting it until finally we got break of structure here, right? We broke structure, came down, created a new lower low. We broke past this low. That's also a break of structure. Retest of this and down to 5.2, 5.1. Almost 500, and then we pushed up. So this is exactly how we analyzed it in yesterday's video. It played out. Good job if you actually caught the move. When we drop into the 1 minute, we'll look at what other key miners we had. Okay, so you want to wait for this market. Oops, you want to wait for the market to move first before you do anything, right? So in this case over here, nothing's happening. Market's not moving. This is just orders being generated, right? And then institutions do the one last push up, shake out all the early sellers, because all the retail sellers are putting their stop losses up here when they should ideally be either up here or let's say you saw this rejection, you saw a second rejection, like, okay, now we just created a new low lower than this, right? Create a lower high, there's rejection. Let's say you entered here, okay? Entered here, your stop loss can easily be above here, okay? Because if it breaks this, then it's most likely we're gonna push up to 200, okay? And then you can look for entries again if that happened. But so you enter here at 2:20 a.m., then another lower high, right? So you see this lower high is being printed, and then we approach this structure level right here. So once we approach that structure level, it broke, okay? We broke it. You could have entered sell here. So I'm going to show you guys where I entered sells. I entered sells after this lower high right here. Entries could have been better personally. Entered there, and I entered at the break of this. Entered at the break of this because London volume coming, and we've just broken a level from before. So even on, I really like using the 2 minute. 2 minute was super clear, right? There's a range to fill. This is your lower. This right here is your lower high. This is your previous lower high, right? So create a new lower low, filled this lower high, and then a new lower low. So you see what happened? And then let's just get off of here, and I'm just gonna move these. So personally, I don't think volume has fully picked up for the year yet, right? Because these are very small moves. These are 40 pip moves, right? They're not the same as we're used to seeing, like, wow, 100 pip move, like, you know what I mean? So volume is still not really there, but as you can see, we came to 500, and this is what I mean. Supply and demand trading is easily the simplest. So we reject here. Look what happens now. We create a higher low at demand, and boom, we push back up. See, this is what I mean. Market structure is shifted. So you really need to watch out for shifts in market structure. And we'll go over that. So prior to coming down to 139.5, price was making lower highs and lower lows, correct? In the lower time frames. So what happened after is, okay, we consolidated a one tap, 2, 3, 4, okay, had these, and then we pushed up, create a higher high, right? Sorry, we created a high, didn't create a higher high, my bad. Then we came down at 5 a.m. So 2 hours after London Open, Eastern. This is Eastern time. Every time I say is Eastern, okay? High or low. This could have been an entry for buy because you know we're at a support. We're at a higher time frame support, and we're rejecting it. So once you saw this, you could have entered buys, and that's 40 pips. Although it's not the most ideal reversal, but as you can see, it's still played out because it's a demand level, right? There's buy orders waiting here, institutions, algorithms executing on here. You're playing against robots and algorithms, right? You're not just playing against real life traders. These are algorithms programmed to execute at certain levels using various different statistical models, okay? So there's a reason why we see rejection at 500. There's a reason why levels work like 140.500, 140.200, right? They even here 137 exactly. It's because algorithms and they're programmed and they use various statistical models to enter at these levels, right? So that's the reason why we saw a push up during New York. So right, and as you can see, it's not even the volume is even it's not really there. Same as over here in this area, we're doing the same thing, but it went exactly as I analyzed in yesterday's daily recap. So if you watched and you caught the move, let me know. Send me a screenshot. I'll put it on my story. And I love seeing when people catch moves. Every time on London, I'm always active on Instagram, so I'm usually posting there. But yeah, I love it when you guys send me what you caught from the analysis. It means a lot that you guys are watching. I just do it because value should be free. But thanks for watching, and we'll tune back in tomorrow to tomorrow's daily recap. Enjoy. Have a good trading day.